How to create a voice clone. This is a one-time process for each new voice you want to create. Step 1. Open the Voice Cloning Studio. From the main dashboard, click on the Voice Cloning Studio card. A new window will open. Import your reference audio. The first thing you need is a sample of the voice you want to clone. Click the Browse button next to import your reference audio. Select a high-quality audio file from your computer. Important tip: for the best results, use a clean WAV or MP3 file. The audio should be 5 to 20 seconds long and must not have any background noise or music. The clearer your sample, the better the clone will be. Choose where to save your cloned voice. Now, you need to decide where to save your new voice file. This file will have a PT extension. Click the Browse button next to save new voice as PT. Choose a folder. Give your voice a name, like My Voice to PT, and click Save. What is this file? This PA file is your unique digital voice print. You will use this file in the text-to-speech panel to generate audio. Step 4. Create the clone. Once you have selected your input audio and the output path, simply click the big blue button that says Create Voice Clone from Audio File. The progress bar will show you the status. This may take a few moments. When it's done, you'll see a success message. That's it. Your voice is now cloned and saved. How to generate speech from text. Now that you have a cloned voice, let's use it to convert text into speech. Step 1. Open the text-to-speech panel. From the main dashboard, click on the text-to-speech panel card. Step 2. Select your voice model folder. In Step 1, select your voice and provide text. Click the first Browse button on tile. Select the folder where you saved your PETH voice files. All the voices in that folder will automatically appear in the Choose a Saved Voice drop-down menu below. Step 3. Choose your voice. From the Choose a Saved Voice drop-down menu, select the voice you want to use. For example, My Voice to PT. Step 4. Provide your text. You have two easy options: type or paste. You can type your script directly into the large text box, import or drag and drop. You can click the Import Text from TXT File button to load a script from your computer, or simply drag and drop a TXT file directly into the text box. Step 5. Choose your generation settings. In Step 2, Generation Settings in Action, you have 3 modes. By line recommended. This creates a separate audio file for each line of your text. This is the best option for video editing and syncing audio. By paragraph, this creates one audio file for each paragraph. Full text. This creates a single audio file for the entire script. Next, choose the output folder where you want to save your final WAV audio files. Step 6. Generate the speech. Finally, click the big blue button that says Generate Speech. The progress bar will show you the status. When it's complete, you'll see a success message. Your high-quality, natural-sounding audio files are now ready in your output folder.